DJT stock analysis, overall Monday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump Media stock, I'll say, is actually sitting at a very interesting place, and I'm looking forward to taking this thing higher. But for me to pull the trigger, I just need that confirmation to be met, you know, to jump in. But all I'm sticking to, by the way, is something that's given me thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything. So yeah, DJT is like, really, instead of telling you, let me show you. Oh no way, why is my drawings not on the chart? Oh, this sucks hard. This sucks. Doesn't matter, because like, it was very simple. We had the highest marked up here. This is like an overall the D demand area that we're in. And right now it only makes sense for me to buy as long as there's a double break from here on. And it really is just that, you know, 1 hour double breaks, and I'm not going to look back. So I'm definitely going to keep eyeing this. Let me just do this. We have the highs there. All right, yeah. I'm actually quite excited. So yeah, if you want to learn how to trade stocks, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's a free course.